Welcome back to Curiosity Echoes, the channel that fuels your inquisitive mind. Today, we're diving into a topic that often confuses and intimidates many, the stock market. We'll debunk some of the most common myths and misconceptions that can mislead both new and seasoned investors. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding and maybe even feel more confident about investing. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Investing in the stock market is just like gambling. This is a popular misconception. While both involve risk, the stock market isn't about betting on random outcomes. Investing in the stock market means buying shares of companies with the expectation that they will grow over time, leading to increased share value. Unlike gambling, which is based largely on chance, successful investing relies on research, strategy, and understanding market trends. Myth number 2. You need to be rich to invest in the stock market. False. Thanks to technology and platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, and many others, you can start investing with as little as a few dollars. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a stock if you can't afford a whole share. The key is to start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable. Myth number 3. You need to be a financial expert to make money in the stock market. Absolutely not. While having financial knowledge helps, it's not a prerequisite. Many successful investors started with little to no financial background. There are plenty of resources available, books, online courses, financial news sites, and more, that can help you learn about investing. Plus, many investment platforms offer tools and advice to guide you. Myth number 4. The stock market is too risky for the average person. Risk is inherent in any investment, but it's really about managing and understanding it. Diversifying your portfolio, investing in various sectors, and not putting all your eggs in one basket can help mitigate risks. Additionally, long-term investments tend to be less risky compared to short-term trades. Myth number 5. Stock prices always reflect a company's true value. Not necessarily. Stock prices are influenced by many factors: market sentiment, news, economic indicators, and more. Sometimes a company's stock might be undervalued or overvalued based on its actual performance and potential. It's crucial to look beyond the stock price and analyze the company's fundamentals. Myth number 6. You should always buy stocks when the market is down. While buying during a market dip can offer good opportunities, it's not a guaranteed strategy. Timing the market is incredibly challenging. A more reliable approach is dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of the market's condition. This strategy can reduce the impact of volatility and ensure you buy shares at different price points. Myth number 7. You can only make money when stock prices go up. There's more to the stock market than just buying low and selling high. Investors can also profit through dividends, which are payments made by companies to shareholders. Additionally, strategies like short selling and options trading allow investors to make money in various market conditions, though these come with higher risks. Myth number 8. The stock market is rigged against small investors. While it's true that institutional investors have more resources, information, and influence, small investors still have plenty of opportunities to succeed. With the right knowledge, strategies, and tools, individual investors can navigate the market effectively. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere. So there you have it. Some of the most common stock market myths debunked. The stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth if approached with the right mindset and knowledge. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Curiosity Echoes for more insightful content. Happy investing, and remember, curiosity leads the way.